Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So today I'm going to teach you how you can fix if your Facebook dating app is not showing or is not currently working. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important information. So this way is also works for iOS device. So if you're using an iOS device, don't worry because the process is the same. So let's get on it. So if your Facebook dating app is not working, so one of the possible reason for that is you are under 18, or at least your account is. So if you are 18, or if you are 18 years old and above, and your Facebook account is uh, or did not or does not say so, what you need to do is, or what you can do is to change your birthday in your Facebook. And to do that, tap on to the three horizontal lines that is available on the left upper right part of your screen, and then just scroll down and then tap onto your settings and privacy, and then tap onto your settings, and then in here under the audience and visibility, tap onto the profile details. Then in here you can go ahead and change under the basic information, tap onto your birthday. So tap onto the edit, and then you can go ahead and edit in account center. Tap into that, and then now you can change the year that that is your actual birth year. So just make sure that it is actually your birth date or birth year. So you can go ahead and change that in here, and after changing that, you can now save, and you can try again Facebook dating if it already works for you. And then next, what you can do is to update the Facebook app. So if you're using an older version of Facebook app, then there will be probably some glitches in the app, and the Facebook dating may not show up. So you can simply update the app from the Google Play if you have an Android device, or from App Store if you have an iPhone. So if you have an Android device, tap onto your Play Store, and then just simply search Facebook in here. And then if an update is available, you can go ahead and tap onto the update button. So that's it for this video, and I hope that fixes your Facebook dating app not showing. So if this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and click notification bell buttons. You won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day. Bye bye.